Hello guys from Erbil Innovation House. We wanted to show you our training room where we have this amazing artwork here done by Mohammed, who's going to tell us all about it.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Ahmadi and I am the creator of this installation art behind me. This project was formed voluntarily as a part of a recycling art exhibition arranged by the French Institute and Erbil Innovation House. As a kid, I always fantasized about nature and the greenery it possessed. Therefore, gardening was and still is one of my favorite activities. Once, I was capturing a beautiful sunrise scene in an empty field, and I noticed a few disposed glass bottles. It was a disturbing sight, so I made it my duty to find a solution. The notion of this art piece consisted of collecting glass bottles and removing their labels. Afterward, a metal hook was created and attached to each bottle. The bottles were filled with a solution that consists of water and fertilizer that would aid the plant shoots inside. The finishing product's last step was to hang the bottles with a transparent string to create a flowing effect. This installation took us 50 hours and 86 bottles to complete. As well as that, without my profound love and admiration towards art and nature, this piece wouldn't have existed. I aspire to create more installation arts from recycled material just like this one, to have the ability to encourage people to create something practical and beneficial from the garbage in their home before it ends up in the landfills.